Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then hey, I'm Leah. Also, you guys should definitely subscribe down below if you're new because there will be so many college videos to come. I'm so excited. So I'm a freshman in college and I'm starting in a few weeks. I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I've been getting recently. Pretty much everything I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, I will link down in the description so you guys can go get some of the stuff for yourself. This definitely isn't every single thing that I'm bringing to my dorm. This is just some of the stuff, but I'll show you guys more. If you want a part 2, comment down below for more. And yeah, let's get into it. For anyone that knows me, you know that I love coffee, and I thought it would be less expensive to buy myself a single cup coffee maker instead of going to Dunkin' and Starbucks constantly and spending like $3 to $5 on a cup of coffee when I could only spend a few cents and just keep a big pot of like coffee grinds and water in my room. So I recently just got myself this one. So you take it out of the box. It looks like this. Basically, you open up the top. It has a little reusable filter on the inside that you just have to clean out so you don't have to keep spending money on coffee filters. And then you put the water back here, and there are little measurements inside for the ounces so you know exactly how much water you need. You don't need to have a measuring cup to make your coffee. This cup comes with it, which is so nice. But yeah, you just place the cup right under here, turn it on the little power button on the side, and it makes your coffee, and that's it. At home, my desk is always a mess, and I wanted something to organize all the stuff on my desk, so I got this desk organizer right here. I literally love this. I feel like it's so cool. It basically has 5 spots up here for textbooks and notebooks, and the shelves are really sturdy. An extra shelf under here that's pretty tall for notebooks and stuff, and then down here it has 3 drawers for pens and pencils and any other stuff that you would keep on your desk. So I feel like this will keep me really organized, and I'm so excited to use it. So if you guys have been on my channel, you know that I love to sing and I play piano and guitar, but I didn't have like a little piano that I could bring with me to school, and I'm really gonna miss just like coming home and unwinding after a long day and playing piano. So I got myself a tiny little piano. It's so cute. I love her. So you just turn her on. I don't know where we're going, but I know it can be far, yeah. So yeah, it's pretty small, but it'll definitely be easy to take with me and play anywhere, which is awesome and exactly what I'm looking for. For all the stuff inside my desk, I got this organizer. This was really inexpensive. It's clear, so it's nice and clean looking. It has a bunch of different pockets that are different size for just like random little things that you find in your desk or small items that you want to organize. So I definitely recommend this one. Next, I have this mesh pop-up hamper. This is really cool because it's literally flat when you transport it, which is awesome. It has handles right up at the top, so it's easy to hold, and then you open it up. You just open it up like this, and you pull it out, and there we go. We have a full-size hamper that expands. It's really cool, and it even has a pocket over here on the front so you can add more stuff, and then when you want to transport it, you just pop it back in, and there you go. So as you guys know, I love Christmas lights, and I have lights all over my room, so I needed to get some for my dorm. So I got these lights right here. You take them out, and this is what they look like. I'll turn them on so you guys can see them. But yeah, this is what they look like, and I got 100 of these. They're rainbow colored. So I'm just gonna like open them up because I really want to see. Oh, I love this. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're so pretty. I literally love these as I'm like lighting them up and taking them out. Next up, I heard the beds in college dorms are not the most comfortable, so I got myself a mattress topper. This is the one I got. It's like 2 inches thick, I'm pretty sure, and it's memory foam. It feels really squishy, so I'm excited to try it out. It looks really comfortable. But yeah, they have these in all different sizes if you guys want to get one that's similar to this. So I'm obsessed with green, as you guys can tell by my room that I always film in. So I found this comforter. I feel like it's the perfect shade of green. I love it. So my comforter is lime green and aqua blue, but this brand, if you like the design, has so many different colors. You guys can check those out if you want a different color with the same like quilted pattern on it. But yeah, this one came with a comforter and 2 pillowcases that are blue and green also, so it's really cool. So next up, I have this photo board that my cousin gave me. She edited some pictures of us, and I'll definitely be putting this up and filling it with more pictures of family and friends. I literally love it. She also added this little rainbow pin on it, which I love. And if you liked any of the stuff that you saw in the video today and want to check it out for your dorm, then the links will be down below so you guys can go buy them. So yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure you guys leave a nice like, comment, and subscribe down below for more, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye guys!